In the natural world, there is one creature that causes no end of problems for people. There are lots of these creatures in the world. There are so many of them, in fact, that people are always trying to get rid of them. If you've ever sat outside on a warm summer's night, you will probably be familiar with this creature. This creature likes people, but people don't like it. It is small and irritating. It makes a sound that is very annoying. If you've ever scratched an itch on your skin, the itch might be due to this creature. There are more of these creatures in warmer climates. This is because they love warm weather. Despite its small size, it can also be a very dangerous creature. Can you guess what it is? If you can't, don't worry. You'll find out soon. The world of nature can be a wonderful place. It is vast and varied. It is comprised of millions of species of plants and animals. Estimates put the number of animal species at close to 8 or 9 million. Humans are part of the natural world. People both love and appreciate nature, but they can also be very fearful of it. When you stop to think about the natural world, have you ever wondered what the world's most dangerous creature might be? There are many candidates for the title of world's most dangerous creature. Let's have a look at some of the candidates. Could it be a crocodile? No. Crocodiles are aggressive creatures, but they only attack people when we bother them in their own territory. Crocodiles only cause about 1,000 deaths each year. What about a shark? Sharks seem dangerous. No, a shark isn't really a dangerous creature at all. Only a handful of all species of sharks are aggressive to humans. And they only cause about 10 deaths each year, so their reputation as deadly creatures is quite unfounded. Maybe it's something smaller, like a snake. Again, the answer is no. A small proportion of snakes are dangerous to humans. There are around 3,000 species of snakes, but only 600 of those are venomous. Snakes will only really act aggressively when humans come near them. They prefer not to attack people, but if they do, it is only to protect themselves from what they see as a danger to them. Snake venom causes about 10,000 deaths a year worldwide. So what is the world's most dangerous creature? The most dangerous creature is actually a tiny little insect. Its name actually means little fly. It is the mosquito. You might be wondering how something so small can be dangerous to people. You would think a charging elephant could do more damage than a tiny insect. The truth is, a mosquito itself is not dangerous. It is what mosquitoes carry inside them that is dangerous to humans. Often, a mosquito is no more annoying than an itchy bite on our skin. But when mosquitoes bite people, they can inject into our bloodstream what is called a pathogen. The pathogens can cause people to become very ill and even to die. For example, everybody knows what it is like to have a cold. When someone sneezes near you, if they are sick, the pathogens they carry become airborne through the process of sneezing. If you come into contact with the pathogens, you might catch their cold. Mosquitoes transmit pathogens in a different way. A mosquito needs what is called a host to feed upon. A host can be an animal or a person. The mosquito bites the host to feed upon the host's blood. If an animal or a person has a pathogen in their blood, when a mosquito feeds, it can ingest this pathogen and then carry it to another host. When they bite the next host to feed on their blood, the pathogen is transmitted through the bite. Pathogens can make people very sick. Some pathogens are so dangerous they can cause death. This is the reason that mosquitoes are so dangerous to humans. Mosquitoes can carry several different types of very dangerous pathogens. In total, each year, the transmission of pathogens through mosquito bites causes around 750,000 deaths around the world. And that number may even be higher than we think. So what can humans do to protect themselves? There are several things we can do. Perhaps the most important precaution that people can take is vaccination against pathogens. We can protect ourselves through clothing which covers our skin, we can use mosquito nets, and we can use insect repellent. Furthermore, the chances of you being bitten by a mosquito will depend where you live. The most dangerous pathogens that mosquitoes can transmit are found in certain parts of the world, particularly warmer climates. Mosquitoes do have a place in the ecosystem. While they are annoying to humans, they are a food source for other animals, such as insects and birds, frogs and turtles, and fish. And they also help to pollinate plants and flowers. However, if there were no mosquitoes in the world, it is unlikely that humans would miss them much. We wouldn't get any more itchy bites, and many lives would be saved because the dangerous pathogens could not be spread so easily. But unfortunately, there are so many mosquitoes in the world that they'll probably be around to annoy us for a long while yet.